It's time for me to organize my kitchen drawer. So I got the lightweight drawer divider. It comes in a pack of 5 dividers. And one thing I love about this is that number one, they're packaged individually, well packaged, and also they're adjustable. So I can set it to the length that I want, and they're expandable. And I also love that I could increase it with the touch of that button on the side. Now, let me start organizing my kitchen drawer. My kitchen drawer, I wanted 2 sections, so I pressed that button and I expanded it. One thing I also like is I like the padding that comes so that it doesn't scratch. So you do have that padding in there. I also love the fact that these are really durable drawer dividers and expanders, and they work excellently well. And I also love that they can be used not only for the kitchen area. I'm going to also show up, I also use it for other areas of the house. Now my kitchen drawer looks really nice, well arranged, and I absolutely love that. I also moved on to my bedroom for my shapewears and my undergarments, and I was also to expand it lengthwise instead of widthwise. So you could expand it so long. This expands from 16 inches to 22 inches, and it is fully stretched at 22 inches to 2.36 inches. So I'm able to section my drawers the way that I like it, and I absolutely love this. And it is not flimsy, it's not going to collapse on me. And I love that once I'm done arranging, everything looks so much neater than before. This is a must have for me.